Hello, you can take a palette from the market also, but I have taken a decoration piece from my house and using it as a palette. Now make the watercolors painting in 3 layers. That means the first layer will be the lightest tone. That means you can mix up all the colors with lot of water to make them the lightest tones. That is the first layer. Suppose I pick up the black color. Black is a very dark color, but if this black color is mixed up with lot of water, take it in one corner to drain most of the water which should not come on paper. This gets converted into a light tone. That means the first layer. Let it dry up completely. Then on top of it, the same black color is used with less water. That means very less water, and on top of it you use it for the second layer. That is the middle tone. And the third layer on top of it with very less water, almost with a dry brush. You use the same color and use the third layer for the very dark tone. As you can see it here, this is by changing the amount of water in the colors you can convert into 3 layers. That is 3 tones on one top of the other. Now another method is that for the first layer, pick up the light colors like yellow or parrot green or sky blue in 100%. That means most of the paintings, 99% of it, you can say, we use lot of water for the first layer. On top of it, the second layer, the medium tone will be used, and the colors will be like sap green. I am using orange. You can use cobalt blue. And then for the third layer, which will be on top of it, I will use red color. We can use viridian green and Prussian blue. And see, I am using the flat brush to give a very different kind of strokes. And if you mix water more than I have used, they will give different kind of strokes. And now, as I told you, just with the one stroke you can give a beautiful look. That's all.